Yo, welcome back, Shqipeboys. We're out here. We're in the bowling alley. Now we're gonna take some photos of our ugly face.
Oh no. Why am I black and white? How are we all black and white except for
Come on, Clevis.
wait. I gotta practice the foot move.
Practice.
Hell no, man.
Oh. Alright, take number 2. You got this. Oh my. Alright, Ani, show him how it's done. Okay. Oh. You can do it, Ani. Oh.
That shit's heavy as fuck.
Oh, that was good.
Alright, boys. It's this guy's turn now.
Oh.
Mr. Flex is about to show us.
Where to?
Oh my god, if you get a spare. OMG. OMG.
20 miles per hour right now. 20 miles per hour.
20 miles per hour?
20
You're gonna
miles per
guarantee a 20? You got a 17.
20
20 mile per hour throw. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it was an 18. Damn it. Come on.
Get that footwork.
Take 2. Go. Go. Oh. Oh. God. Oh, yeah. Show him. Show him. You got this. 3. Go. 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 Oh, my God. Oh.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I guess, no, I didn't. That's good.
And a second chance.
Bowling mode, bro. It's gonna cut my fingers.
That's the one I use. Bruh. That's how you get a strike.
Master Funk at this stage.
Take it off, take it off. I'm so scared. No more.
I'm doing horrible. 3 points. I only got a strike.
I got a strike.
Yeah,
Ti jam marrë edhe kësaj të funit, jam të marrë një spare.
Get the spare.
OMG. We got it.
Nice. Dude, you're so bad, dude.
Oh, it's fast.
Fast, fast, fast.
I got a strike off camera, guys, but obviously we didn't record it. Now he's gonna. This is how I threw it to get a strike, but obviously not that bad. No, brother. Oh, that was actually a lot more than. That was like.
Make another one.
We got a new background.
You gotta take a funnier one.
New background. Now we're done. I don't know what we're gonna do now. We're probably gonna go eat, get some boba. I hope we get boba. I wanna get boba. But I don't know. I'll just record whatever we're doing. Bye. All right, we're at Green Acres right now. We're about to get some food and some boba. I've been feeding for the boba. I love boba and black balls in my mouth. Here we are in the mall. Y'all know what happened last time we went in the mall. Bro! We didn't get boba. We didn't get boba. I'm so mad. No one wanted boba, so why should I get boba? Ass crackers. Are we ass?
Always the crackers. I hate white people.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
What you got there?
Tuna salad sandwich.
Yeah, that's disgusting. What you got?
Broccoli cheddar soup.
All right, that's disgusting. What you got?
I got a pizza.
Pizza. We got a pizza now. Oh, we just got the smoothies. Smoothies. Banana. Strawberry banana smoothie. The best combo in the world. If someone disagrees with me, we're fighting downstairs in the comments. I bought a Popeye chicken sandwich. It's gone. I wasn't satisfied with that pizza, so I wanted to get more food because I'm a fat ass. Shqipeboys, we're about to go home right now. This is when the vlog ends.
One eternity later.
Yo, welcome back, Shqipeboys. As you can see from the time, it's almost 6 in the morning. We're mad tired. We're right now going to Virginia. Here's everyone. Speak for yourself, buddy.
Got the whole gang.
What does that mean?
All right, guys, Shqipeboys. Today we're going out to Virginia, man. You guys hear to my voice? Cause it's too early for this shit, man. We got the designated driver with us right now, and we're about to go see the Dirty Indian Boy, and we'll keep you guys updated as we get there.
Tree time.
guys, we're in IHOP now. It's 7 a.m. Show them the time real quick. 7:30 right now. We literally stopped by the side of the road because we didn't have breakfast. Food has arrived once and for all. We didn't wait for that long. That's pretty good wait time, not gonna lie. Probably 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Another pit stop. We're gonna go to the good old... What is this place called? Everybody get a gun.
You was on some op shit. I was cruising down a nigga block with the chopstick. Rockstar nigga. Nah, I need a rock bitch. We want beef, not veggies, not squash bitch. That boy like to talk.
We made it, guys. Oh. You know what time it is. Billiard time. Shqipeboys content. Right now we're in a different time zone, guys. We're gonna go to AMC and watch some Spider-Man. Yes, today has been a very long day. Yeah, I can't wait to go to sleep. Yo, guys, we're back home now. It's what time is it?
It is approximately time for you to get some hosed.
We watched Spider-Man. It was a great movie. This guy was sleeping the whole time in the movie. All right, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo, guys, stay awake for the vlog. Everyone's now awake. Morning, guys. As y'all can tell, we're in IHOP again because IHOP is goated. Pancakes, I forgot to record. I'm mad hungry, but bro, you got a burger? You got the same thing as me? He got the same thing as me? Daniel.
You got the same thing as me.
I got the same thing, but I got bacon.
You got the same thing, but he got some bacon. We don't got bacon. Because we don't fuck with no pigs. Look at this. Yo, we're such car nerds. We just like going to car stores because
Like tools.
because we like cars.
Screw my head back in.
Put your whole hand.
Screw my head in place.
Yo, bro, you need to
Damn.
screw this man, bro, because your brain does not work sometimes.
Okay. Rectangular pencils? How do you even sharpen these? That's insane.
A few moments later.
Washington, D.C. We're gonna see Joe Biden right now. We're gonna take some scooters.
Yo, scan this.
Maybe attack him. I don't know. Just got this joint. Fresh new Shuai. Fresh new. We're gonna look for another scooter station to get another scooter because most of these are dead. This one got 5 miles on. Yeah, we're at the Washington Monument. We saw the White House is down there somewhere, and we rode with our scooters. Honestly, scooters is a great idea, but they're kind of slow. But it's okay. It's faster than walking. But this is a great view we're having right now. Let's take a moment to appreciate the view right now because it's insane. Look, I'm right up close to the thingy-majiggy. And right there, you got the Lincoln Memorial thingy. I don't know, man. My history's terrible, but we're about to go there soon. Skirt. Damn.
6.5 hours later.
Yo, right now, Clovis pranked the Uber guys, man. He had a fake gun, and then he dropped it in front of the guy.
Oh shit!
That was his reaction. He was like, "Oh shit!" When the gun dropped in front
We
of
got
him.
the B-Dubs on the deck.
B-Dubs, and we got the dogs out. You guys can't hear me, but we're in the arcade, obviously, right? Oh my god, this is awesome. I've been in an arcade in ages. Oh, he's playing a 3D game.
I'm gonna be
Yo, left hand.
It's left hand,
Shit,
bro.
bro. That's real Japanese shit.
That's real Japanese.
That's
shit,
real
bro.
Japanese. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. It's going only 90. Little mischiefs, but he got it. What's the score looking like, boys?
We got 97.
97, 74. Khushal versus Daniel.
Who's actually winning?
Oh god. A lot of breaking going on, Khushal. Oh no. Oh my god, get away from me.
Let me bless this shit.
Oh, scheisse!
Wait, I put the button.
Alright, let's see what I get, boys. 70? Yo! Yo, no way, I'm that valid. Yo, that was my first hit, and then that's the biggest one over here. 70's the biggest. 70's the biggest. Yo, that was actually mad lucky though. No cap. Match? No, it's definitely 70. Guys, let's see what Cubs gets. 70. 70. Yo! No! I'm going again. Alright, Daniel, let's see what you get. What a gentle tap. What a gentle tap.
Are we at the casino right now?
Let's see. Not magic. It better be 30. 30? Yes! At 30 station. Khushal gets. Oh, 70? No! 50 in a row wins 500 tickets. Alright, let's see what you get. No, wait. Oh no, he's about to win 50 tickets. No! Record! He messed up the first one. Yo, that's hilarious. I'm sorry, guys. He messed it up again. He keeps messing up. Why does he keep messing up? Donnie's turn. What? Oh, we almost go. All of them. Oh, I'm stealing this. We get 500. Yo, we got 500? Wait, did we get 500? Oh, only 102? This is the most he's doing, guys. Oh! Nah, he's trying to get those 100 tickets. He's trying to get those 100 tickets. Go again. Oh shit. Get those 100. Show him. Yes, sir. Do your dance. Pop that shit. Levis's turn. Oh! Alright, Matt. Take two. Go. Yeah! It took you 13 credit. Took you 13 fucking credits to get that much. I push this button and then a ball drops. Ready? No, it's not good. 2. Well, it's all luck, bro. No! What? 10? I was about to get 200. You gave me 10. Shaw's turn, guys. No. See where it dropped. Oh no. Dude, that's depressing, bro. Alright, guys. Whenever you move this gear, check this out. Yo, that's so cool. And a ball drops and you control where the ball goes. Middle's 500. Okay. Alright, no smart. Oh shit. It's not looking very good. Try to lift it or some shit. Go aggressive with it. Oh shit. Only 10. They got a saxophone. That's insane. What? What about a PS5? No PS5, Mons. Punching machine. Let's see how you do. We got the best angle in the game. Let's go. Yeah. Take 2, guys. Be about to score. He ran towards it. Again. Still with the worst score. Alright, Daniel's turn, guys. Let's see, guys. Alright, Daniel, that was pretty good. Okay, okay. I won! This guy got 3rd place. This guy got 2nd. Yo, it was, bro, what were the times, bro? That was like milliseconds. Yeah, I got the 3rd place. Oh, she's dancing. Got the dance. She's dancing for you. Oh my god, I hit the thing. It just fell out of the board.
Let's see if whatever I get something good. Alright, I just spun the thingamajiggy. 3rd 10.
No way.
Yo, I got 2 Pez dispensers. I only got 436 tickets and I spent $25. So $25 for Pez and some fun experiences. All right, guys.